Hey everybody, it's Jason Creel and this is the Lawn Care Life. Today I'm going to try something that's been recommended to me in the comments, and that is using commercial grade vinegar for a weed killer. So I'm going to spray this, and this is not for the yard, okay? But I'm going to use it in an area that I don't really need anything to grow. So just straight trying to kill stuff. And I've done these in the past using vinegar and salt and dish soap and all that. But today I'm going straight vinegar. I'm not putting any dish soap, not putting any salt, but it's commercial grade vinegar. So when I'm buying some vinegar at the store, it seems like it's a very weak concentrate, but this is 45%. It costs more, but I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy it. But let's see how it works, because we're gonna spray it and then we're gonna check on the results and see how well it does. And you know, it could be used if people that don't want to use a herbicide to kill weeds, then you use something like this. I'm got a little 2-gallon sprayer here that I'm gonna put it in. I'm not gonna use the whole gallon today because I'm not spraying that many weeds. So I'm gonna use some, put it in the sprayer. And I do think it's important when you spray to really soak the leaves good. But we're gonna try it on some different kind of weeds too, see if it works better on grassy weeds or broadleaf weeds, and in a couple different spots. And we'll check on results, and you'll know by the end of this video if this works or not. All right, so I'm gonna put some in my sprayer here. When I was younger, I had some friends that took my drinking cup and put vinegar in it. It's not a good flavor. Got a strong smell. So anyway, this is just a little 2-gallon sprayer that I got, and works pretty well. And I think the key is that you really want to soak the leaves good, okay? So that's what I'm gonna try to do when I spray these plants, and then we'll check back and see how it works. All right, so we're gonna start on this little area right here. Spray them really good. Like I said, I would not recommend doing this to kill weeds in your lawn. It's gonna definitely damage the grass too. So the other thing, I have no doubt it's gonna work to some extent. I want to see how well it works, and I want to see how fast it works too. All right, so I'm gonna spray this here. I think this is gonna be a little more challenging because there's grassy weeds. Those are typically a little harder to kill, but like I said, I want to test it for myself and see how well it works. So let's spray this. I went over that twice just to make sure I got good coverage, because I do think those are going to be a little tougher to kill. All right, that's it for the application. Like I said, a 2-gallon sprayer, the commercial grade vinegar. So we'll check back and we'll be able to see how well it works. It's been 3 days since I sprayed the commercial grade vinegar. I want to show you the results and see what we can learn from those results. All right, so this is the first area that we sprayed, and you remember what those weeds look like. Look at them now. Not very happy. Look at that one. He's really not happy. But notice this, the poison ivy and the this Virginia creeper run up the wall, not nearly as effective on that, but on these, you know, I don't have much doubt those are going to die. So extremely effective on those, but not so much on the poison ivy. Now, will it continue to deteriorate over time? I'm not sure. And when you're spraying this, you want to make sure you're not getting it on any desirable plants. Like you see this lily blooming, you know, you don't want to spray on the lily. But as you look over here, and some of this, in fairness, when I sprayed it, some of this was already a little bit brown. But you can see this whole area that I sprayed, it basically wiped it out. And there was some, you know, broadleaf like clover and things like that in here. It's just totally killed. Now you'll still see a little bit of green grass coming up. I mean, it's definitely brown. I mean, you know, to kind of survey the area, you don't see a lot of green, but as you get down closer, there is a little bit of green. Now, the sedges, that's a nut sedge, those are so hard to kill. So it kind of burns the leaves. So anyway, it may need a second application on some of this, but you can see how effective it is, especially on the broadleaf weeds. Just in 3 days, I mean, literally just knocks them out. But on you know, some of the grassy weeds, it could use a second application probably, because I'm not so sure that something like that's not going to start growing back. Again, this has been 3 days later, so extremely fast. And I do know from past experiments I've done, you know, I've used like vinegar you buy from the store and mix it with table salt and dish soap. You know, this is much faster and more effective. So yeah, the commercial grade stronger vinegar definitely made a huge difference. You don't want to spray on any desirable plants. Not using the salt is kind of good, because the salt is going to really start messing with the soil. So anyway, I would say this has been an effective experiment. Just wanted to show you the results on video so that you could see it for yourself. I will put a link to the vinegar that I used in the description below. I appreciate you watching. Leave your comments below if you have anything we could have done different, anything we can learn. Love to hear from you. Give it a thumbs up, share it, like it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.